Anyway, because see, I can ask you guys questions and I can't see where it's at or if anything. And when it does, it scrolls all the way up my screen, so I can't see nobody. Let me, yes, just touch the screen when you want to read. Turn your rotate on. Okay. But see, when I rotate it, it's, when I'm not live, it does it, but when I am, like now, it won't let me, it says I'm in, to take it back, or turn it back. I can't split the screen to where, like when you watch the YouTube videos and that on YouTube, it has one portion down, because mine is up full screen. Hi, Gloria. I can rotate my screen. Sorry, guys. I apologize. Hang on a second. Let me see if I can do something here. Oh, no. Sorry about that. How do you know if it's on? It needs to be shut. Hang on, guys. Be right back.
Yeah,
where's my cane? Nope. Get away from my door. Get away from my door.
That's Emily acting stupid.
From my door. Get away from my door. No, that's not Emily.
Yes, it is.
Sorry about that, guys. Oh, I got goofy neighbors next door, across the way. Okay, now, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Nope, I need my glasses on, doggone it. On the drop-down menu, make sure the screen rotate is on. Okay, I have, it's like 3 dots on the bottom of my screen. This says save highlight, share, or mute microphone, but I don't want to do that. Because otherwise you guys won't be able to hear me. Let's see. And there's no other, hold on, let me see what happens when I do this. Oh, well. Oh my gosh. So okay. And see, I can't see all who is here. Doggone it. Hi, Trisha. Welcome in. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, guys. Let me try rotating my screen real quick and see what happens. Yeah, see, it says rotate device. So it's letting me, oh, it's locked. How the heck do I unlock it?
Trust the unlock key.
That's what I'm doing. Maybe. Oh, Lordy. Oh, come on, come on. Okay. See, even the chat is still vertical instead of, like, because if you've hit full screen, it does it, but it doesn't do the, it splits your chat for you, but it doesn't do anything else. But I can't do that on my own live. Oh, come on, Debbie, figure it out. Oh, and if you can see, guys, see a red mark right here? My grandson popped his head up and it got me in it. So, it's a little bruised a little bit, so